Okay, there's part A and part B to this question. Let's look at part B first. Right, we have A equals to this, B equals to that. And we want the highest common factor. Right, so I'm going to rewrite A as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, and B as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. So in order to find the highest common factor, we look for the common number in both lists. So here we have the 2 here, the 2 here, then a 3 and a 5. So what we do now is we do 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which is equals to 4 times 15 equals to 60. So 60 is the highest common factor of A and B. Okay, so now let's look at LCM of 40 and 56. I just want to remind you to find the LCM. We take the HCF and then times it by the rest. Okay, and I'm going to first create a prime factor tree for 40. So I can use 2 and 20, because 2 times 2 is 20. Then I'm going to use 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And then here I left with the 2 and the 2. Okay, so I can rewrite 40 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay, so let's create another tree for 56, and this time I'm going to use a twin color pen. Okay, I'm going to do it here, 56, and I'm going to use 7 and 8, 2 and a 4, and a 2 and a 2. So I can write 56 equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Okay, now look for the common number. Here we have 2, 2 and the 2. Okay, so by definition, we know LCM equals to HCF. In this case is 2 times 2 times 2 times the rest. So the rest refers to the 5 and the 7. So I'm going to times this by 5 and 7. So if you put all of that in your calculator, so here we have 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40, 40 times 7 is 280. So 280 is the LCM of 40 and 56.